Yo guys, what is up? It is Ryan Sneaks. I have another video for the night that I'm going to be showing you guys. This one I was able to get at work. There was a very limited supply that they got here in town. I was able to get one pair for myself. It is the Air Vapormax Plus. I got this in the all black, the triple black colorway. As you can see, size 12. They retailed for $190. With my discount, it dropped it down to about $145-ish, which is a great price for this shoe. And I really wanted to try this one out because I've been telling you guys that Vapormax is one of my favorite shoes of 2017 and carrying on to 2018. But this one has a midsole that is on there, so you won't be feeling the exact air bubbles under it, which was kind of a bothersome thing to me. So trying these out was something I really wanted to do. So here's the shoe. It's a really wild silhouette, as you can tell. It's just a mashup of the Vapormax and the Air Max Plus. Which is pretty evident when you kind of see the VM Plus and all the branding and the crazy lines going through it. But like I said, the big seller on this for me was it has a midsole. You're not sitting right on top of the bubbles. You won't feel like where the ridges are of it. And when I saw that, I was like, I need to have these. Also to mention, the Vapormax and the Air Max Plus are like my favorite Air Max silhouettes, so I had to just get these. Now, one thing I recommend is going up half a size from a regular Vapormax size. I usually go 11.5. I have one pair size 12, but for this one, it's not flying. It's not going to stretch your foot. It's all like, I want to say neoprene. It's kind of like neoprene all the way through. You have some cages on the side. It's going to be a tighter fit, so I went size 12 and these fit me perfect. I have seen that they've showed the 95 Vapormax, and I want to say the 97 Vapormax. The 95 Vapormax, I'm not really feeling. I don't think the silhouette of the upper looks good on the Vapormax bottom, but the 97 I do like. This one for me was, this is like perfect. This is like what I would want. This is exactly it. For release, they do have a white pair slated to come out and also a gray pair that I'm planning on picking up. If they do something like a sunset colorway or something like that that releases at Finish Line, I'll end up picking those up as well. But just tons and tons of colorways I can imagine coming out with these. And these are, in comfort wise, I would definitely say this is the superior model to the Vapormax. Silhouette wise, I would probably go the original Vapormax. But comfort and like wearing with pants and stuff like that, this is like a bulky shoe. It's really bulky. The Vapormax is kind of a shoe you wear with shorts and like windrunners and stuff like that. This one I think I can wear with jeans and get away with it and not really have it bagging way too like much over it. And I can also wear these with shorts. These are like my go-to right now. I've been wearing these to work with the State and also with Finish Line, so these are really getting their wear in. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about the Vapormax Plus down below. It's a different silhouette, you know, like I know some of my friends, they were like, no, I'm not gonna pick them up. They look a little bit like too out there for me. I don't really like the look of it. But whenever I wore them, they were kind of saying they look a lot better on feet. Me personally, I like the way they look just by themselves. I like the way they look in pictures, and on fit they look just the same to me. So for me, it was an instant cop. I just want to know what you guys think. I really love this shoe, and I want to know what you guys think. If y'all like this, or if you're not really messing with it, just drop a comment down below. Hey, that is going to be it for this one. Just wanted to give you guys a quick rundown on this one. So let me know what you guys think down below. I'm going to be heading out right now, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys next time.